get it. All right, this is Isaac and I attempting to remove the factory exhaust so we can replace it with an aftermarket exhaust on my 370Z. This is amateur hour for the both of us because we really don't know what we're doing. We just have a general idea. So let's see how it goes. Go.
There we go.
Hoorah.
Hoorah.
Isaac,
Yeah.
you wanna get the angle like more towards this way? There you go.
Push.
Ooh, that is warm.
It really is.
You taking a video or a picture?
Video.
All right, so we are on the third part of the axleback exhaust here.
Stock.
And, or the catback exhaust, I guess. These are the catalytic converters right here. So we're replacing everything behind those. If we were to replace anything in front of it, what we have is we have the catalytic converters, which we could either replace with these things called test pipes, which eliminates the catalytic converter and makes your car out of compliance for emissions testing, which is bad. Or we could replace it with high flow catalytic converters, which are just catalytic converters that allow more air. And then up from there, you just have the headers, I believe. So, yay, that's all.
Hey guys, we are currently halfway done with removing the exhaust for
Well, with replacing the exhaust, we're done removing.
with replacing the exhaust of the Nissan 370Z. And this is what we have so far. Pretty cool. How do you so yeah. Hey guys, this is what we have left of the 370Z stock Heritage Edition exhaust. We're going to be moving on to the replacement, and you can see looks kind of empty down here. Got the jack in the way. There's nothing here, so we're gonna have to install everything right
These
in
four
the
pieces.
orange bubble wrap. So yeah, guys, here now we have the first piece installed of the Rev 9 exhaust system. I don't know about you guys, but this thing looks pretty. Go around the jack here. There. Just set it up here, and we're going to be moving on to the next part.
So, at the second piece now. I don't know what it's called. I think the first piece is a Y pipe, maybe. I don't know. Like I said, this is amateur hour here, but we are making progress. So letting Isaac get in on the action here. We're just ba, ba, ba.
Keep that there.
So then we have to come back and just tighten these, and then do the two exhaust bits at the end. And from what I've heard with these cheap exhaust systems, we'll have to take a little bit of time trying to make sure everything is even in back. But you know what? Awesome.
Okay.
We are. This is towards the back here. All we have is the last two bits, and so we're essentially halfway done with putting the new exhaust on, and I think we're only about an hour in. I know. People will be like, oh, you know, a professional can do this in 20 minutes. Yes, they can. We are not professionals. This is, what is this, Isaac? What hour is this?
I think this is 1.
This is amateur hour. That's what I was looking for.
This is the first hour.
We are amateurs and we are getting shit done. So, yeah, let's finish it up.
Do crazy shit.
Okay, so Isaac's taking a bathroom break, which probably has something to do with this empty Mountain Dew bottle. Mine is still more than half full, so he has to pee and I do not. I want to show you what we're working with here. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. It's all nice laid out. Super cool. Alright, we are recording the new exhaust. Make sure you want to be outside. Let's see. You want to be outside?